Alright, we talk a lot about how to select, and when we introduce the delete functionality, we accidentally delete everything. So that's bad, huh? That's bad. We can only change the viewport now. So I want something to play with. What about we add something? So remember we talk about the shift key, right? So if you want to say pan, we can holding shift and do it pan. If you want to add something, we're going to also use the shift as well. So basically I'm going to shift, and remember add started with initial A. So shift and A, that's a typical way. And that will be used a lot if you want to add something new in Blender. So we got the mesh, we got plane, cube, circle, and all that, right? And we got curve, surface, metaboard, text, and all that. Okay. So let's learn mesh first, because this is the most common and most simple and most versatile thing that you're going to learn at the very beginning of your Blender journey, of your modeling journey. So basically you can just use this to add tons of pre-made objects that you can play around. Okay, so remember we get our default cube deleted, so you know what, we can get this cube out. So as you can see that this has got a cube, and here we got a cube. Okay, and remember we can add so much more. So for example, I can click an X and delete. Let's quickly practice what we learned. Shift and A, we can mesh, we can add a plane. So basically this is like a ground, right? And later we can do so much more. But this is just a plane. Okay? We can make this a floor or something. You know what? Delete. Shift and A, we can use a mesh and a circle, UV sphere, or a torus. So if you watch tons of tutorial, this is the mesh that you are going to add and make a donut, right? So yeah, this looks good, right? And of course you can play around here, because right now you can essentially add anything. But I want you to add the monkey. This is the Suzanne the monkey. You can see the monkey's name called Suzanne. Suzanne the monkey that's the iconic object that you're going to encounter when you learn and play around and test if there is a new functionality coming out of Blender, because it's just so iconic. This is just a kind of represent the Blender modeling software. So yeah, you can play around. For example, you can get some elements, you can simulate the water, the fire, you can get the monkey head on fire. That's brilliant, right? Okay, so yeah, that's basically the Suzanne the monkey. You can change different angle of the view, and you can see this whole monkey in its glory. And you know what, we also can practice what we just learned, because this is this is like pre-made model, not just a cube. We got different faces, different axes, and different faces, different, just you get some sort of a shading here. So we will talk about this later, but I want you to practice. So for example, you're holding shift and holding the center mouse, you can just pan, right? So for example, I can pan it here, and then just holding middle mouse, and got here, I can zoom it in, and I can holding shift and pan here, and then I can rotate to look at Suzanne the monkey in different view, which is brilliant. I love it. So yeah, that's how to add things. Shift and A to add. And of course, when you down playing with this, while you select it, or if you did not select everything, using A and X, and then you can enter, delete everything. That's good.